Hey everyone, I am Shubham, a developer here at Argonaut, and today we will be exploring how to visualize cloud costs using Argonaut. From now on, we have two types of integrations. The first one is for infra management, and the second one is for cost, where Argonaut gains read-only access and starts fetching the cost data. So here we are on an org that has only infra account created. We can click on this here, and then that will give us an option to connect the cost integration to this account itself using the connect button here. Or if we want to create a separate cost integration, we can click on the account plus option here and then click on the connect button beside the cost management, after which we will be redirected to AWS Cloud Formation page. And once we are done on with the process of AWS, we can see our cost setup successfully done here. The cost sync process is executed periodically, and as a result, the reports would take somewhere between 24 to 48 hours to get generated. Before which, if you try to navigate to the cost pages, it would just give us a message like this where you need to update your AWS connection. So once the data is available, we can head over to the cloud cost section from the sidebar where we'll find dashboard and reports. In the dashboard, we see sections like all account, all region, and all resources. We see the current period cost, the previous period cost, and the difference between them. We have an option to export these tables as CSV, and we have a bar chart option which will just show a visual representation of the table data earlier. So all the sections that we see in this dashboard are also available as default reports here in the reports list. We can use it to visualize our cost data along with various filters, different ranges, etc. Users can also save their own report using the create report option here. So if I just navigate to one of the user created reports, that is sample report, we see a filter option where we have the region filter applied, and these are the regions that are selected. So the resources that we see presently in this report are only the resources which are present in these regions. We can also add multiple resources. So if I add a resource type filter here, I can add here RDS, and let's say I'm adding EC2 and applying. So now instead of all the resources, we just see these two resources here in this report. We also have a date picker here. If you want to see the data for specific dates, and also we have stack chart option here. We can toggle this so that we can see the total cost for a single date, or we can see the split cost based on the resources selected. For any change in the filters, users would need to update the report to keep the changes persisted. If you want to dig deeper into the cost of individual resources, you can click on any of the individual resource types and then get more details on what resources are present based on the resource type. Something like this. So that's it for the demo of cost management using Argonaut. Hope you find this useful.